Hey Saber fans, Tony here from Sabers, and today another install review for you. If you're new to the channel, I do install, repair, and review these sabers, so please like, comment, and subscribe. Without further ado, let's get to the video. This is an AniFlex from 7 Chambers. This is Anakin's lightsaber from Revenge of the Sith. Very different. This is my first install from the AniFlex. I've got 2 of them. This is very heavy saber. I did do an unboxing review. Definitely go check that out. These are currently out of stock, but they will be coming back over the summer. Definitely snag one. The install was pretty simple. You've got your power here and your aux here. You've got a normal Neopixel connector in there, 7/8 inch blade, and you've got this whole section here is static, so I had to glue on this piece and the grips. The grips, I had a chart and made sure that all the grips were even as much as possible. There are 6 of them. Let's put this to the side. You've got a Saber Sense chassis. It does have a crystal chamber option, but the customer didn't want that, so we went with a normal thing. You've got your proffie board here, running 5.9. Your recharge port is there, 2.1. You've got USB access and SD card, and of course a 28mm speaker. This is a pretty loud saber in general, a very long chassis as well. It has 11 fonts in there, including the party blade. So without further ado, let's show off the blade. Alright, so first up,
if you're not with me, then you're my enemy.
This is Heroes Pack by Kyberphonic. Anakin Skywalker style. Oh, press the button by accident. So your power is going to be your back one, and your auxiliary going to be your the forward one. So you'll have that kind of trim your finger as you swing and stuff, which is very nice when you're doing auxiliary and all this other stuff. So for color changing, or lightning block I should say, hold power, tap aux. For color changing, you hold aux, tap power, and you can just rotate the hilt. Let's turn it to a lighter blue, and hit power to lock it in. And you're good to go. Now force effects, you hold down power and let go for 2 seconds. It's very sensitive.
Is it possible to learn this power?
The Jedi turned against me. Don't you turn against me?
So for multi-blast, hold aux for 2 seconds, let go. You get a false blast and you just swing. And you just get blasters and stuff. Once you get out of it, you click once more, and you're back to normal. Now the red blasters do look really good on the blue, just worth mentioning. It's very different than what I normally do with the white blasters. So next up,
At last we will have our revenge.
this is Menace by Kyberphonic.
I am Sith. Give up. Choke in my grasp. You are nothing.
A lot of good ones. Now to play tracks, you can either put your blade up and hold for 2 seconds, or you can hold for 2 seconds for your power while the saber's off, and it'll turn off the track. That has Fates on it. The Anakin versus Obi-Wan track is on the first font. So, moving on. Unstable by Kyberphonic. For lockup, you can hold either or button and clash, and then give you lockup. So yeah. Force effects.
If you will not turn to the dark side,
This is The Turn by Kyberphonic.
perhaps she will.
Has the bar scene on it. Every time. Next up,
Bo-Katan sent me.
this is The Sorcerer by Kyberphonic. So nice silver blades here. A lot of force effects on this one.
Can we still wield the Force? Return the stone to me, Grogu.
He doesn't understand.
He does.
So yeah, the track for this is Tano, or the track that came with Kyberphonics.
The dark saber. It belongs to you.
This is Dark V3 by Kyberphonic. It's another dark unstable type blade by Fet263. You can see the blade style a lot better.
She can't take it. It must be one. The dark saber doesn't have power. The story does.
Now yield. It's yours.
Oh, no. It doesn't work that way.
The track for this is the Mando theme. So yeah. Next up,
You can never escape me.
this is Secret Apprentice by Kyberphonic. You wanted a dark blue for this one?
A Jedi's hand is at work. I have waited many years to destroy the real Obi-Wan Kenobi.
This has the Force Unleashed theme on it. So yeah, cool. Next up,
It is obvious that this contest cannot be decided by our knowledge of the Force.
this is Count's Claw by Kyberphonic.
Must still face the wrath of the dark side. You're about to experience true swordsmanship. You're about to experience true swordsmanship.
Track for this is Yoda versus Dooku. Yeah. Next up,
Prepare a boarding party.
last but not least, you've got your passive battery monitor, and of course, the Rainbow Blade. Alright, Saber fans, so that concludes the AniFlex 7 Chambers install. I hope you enjoyed it. Enzo, I hope you enjoy your Saber. Of course, have a wonderful day, and may the Force be with you.